So this is an old wheelbarrow tub. I used the bottom frame of the wheelbarrow for something else. So I'm going to mount it on this hitch cargo carrier that probably looks familiar if you've watched another one of my videos. And then I'm going to hook it up to the tractor so I can haul back some of that displaced gravel. I don't know if that's going to work. Quite a bit of overhang there. I'm going to have to come up with a different solution. So I came up with a few scrap pieces of lumber to make a little bit of a bed for this thing. I'm just putting a couple of screws in it to hold it from flopping down. There. I think that'll work good enough. Don't need anything too permanent here, just enough to hold some gravel.